Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching SQL Server to real needs. Define transaction volume, concurrency, and storage growth. Once done, pick an edition, Express for free testing, Standard for mid-range, Enterprise for scale, because features and licensing affect cost and manageability. Next, decide deployment. On-premises gives control, cloud-managed instance reduces ops. Make sure to document CPU, RAM, storage IOPS requirements, now so procurement and licensing choices are accurate and fast. Now you calculate total cost. Compare core-based licensing against Server plus CALs and model 5-year costs including support. Once done, add software assurance if you need upgrades and failover rights because it reduces long-term risk. Consider virtualization density and whether enterprise features like always-on or partitioning will require higher additions. Make sure to include HA/DR storage and networking costs, and validate vendor quotes against your modeled requirements to avoid surprise expenses. Finally, purchase through a vetted reseller or your cloud provider and secure contracts and license keys. Once purchased, deploy to a staging environment identical to production, run performance tests, backup and restore verification, and failover drills so you prove behavior under load. After validation, deploy to production and enable monitoring and automated patching. If issues arise, a key troubleshooting tip: roll back to the tested snapshot and review recent config or patch changes before reapplying them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.